In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Firefox, Selenium IDE and Firebug. In order to install Firefox, either you can go to Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. So I take Google Chrome and I go to this website called mozilla.org. You can see there's a link here which says you can download free download for Firefox. On clicking this link, Firefox will be installed on your PC. Since I already have Firefox, so I'm skipping this step. Now my second step is to install Selenium IDE. For that, I go to Firefox and I type in this website called seleniumhq.org. Via this website, I go to the link called download, and under Selenium IDE, you can see the latest version for Selenium IDE, which is currently 2.50. Just note that it might not be same, but under Selenium IDE, whichever is the latest version, you can download. So in my case, it is right now 2.50. So I click on this. It gives me this pop-up and it is asking me that can I install Selenium IDE, which I say allow. Now it is asking me that it is going to install 5 new items and I click on install now. It says that this new pop-up says that 5 add-ons will be installed after you restart Firefox. This action will close the current window of Firefox and it will open new Firefox window with the installed 5 add-ons. So I click on restart. Now you can see new window has come and there's a green tick mark beside download which says that Selenium IDE is installed. So how do we ensure now whether it's installed or not? So we go to tools and under tools you have Selenium IDE. You also have a shortcut that is Ctrl+Alt+S to launch the latest version of Selenium IDE. So you can see the latest version 2.50 is installed here and this is the interface for Selenium IDE. Now my third step is to install Firebug. For that I go to Firefox and I go to this website called getfirebug.com. You can see this red mark. I click on install Firebug and it shows me how to download Firebug. If you have Firefox which is under version 23 to 29, you can download from here. If you have any Firefox version which are above 30, you can download from here. Or if you have older version, you can go via this link. Currently I have Firefox which is in the range 23 to 29. So I click on download. After I click on download, it tells me that Firebug will be installed. Do you wish to add to Firefox? So I say yes. And you can see it's asking me now that it is going to install Firebug. So I say install now. As soon as I click that, I get this pop-up which says Firebug is installed successfully. Now how do I ensure whether Firebug is installed? So I relaunch Firefox and you can see a B mark here, a bug. If I click on this, you can see it is showing me Firebug 1.12.8 is installed and which is activated. After I clicked on that, you can see at the bottom I got this panel where I can make any modification, debugging to my current script in Firefox. In order to disable this panel, I click on this Firebug again, and then that panel is closed. So clicking again will relaunch the Firebug window via which you can make any changes to your script.